Okay, Johnny, Rebecca. So today we're gonna do solving linear equations again, just like we did yesterday in class with everyone else, okay? So remember, we looked at an equation that looked like 2x plus 3 equals 9, okay? So yesterday with everyone else, we did a lot of writing and we did inverse properties and inverse operations, okay? And today we're gonna do the same thing, but we're actually not even gonna write anything. We're gonna use this balance beam I have, okay? So a balance beam, we have two sides, okay? And whatever we put on one side will make it heavier. So we wanna balance it out by putting the same amount over here, okay? So I'm actually gonna put the pen down, okay? So I have my little counters over here. So just to show you, okay? Let's say I had 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? So I have 4 counters over here. I put 4 counters over here, okay? That means we have an equal balance, right? Nice and equal, 4 and 4. So if I was to subtract 1 from this side, okay, I would take it away. That means now that this side is heavier than the right side because here we have 4 and here we have 3. So we want to always make sure whatever we do to one side, we do to the other side. So I'm going to take away 1 over here. That way we have now 3 and 3 and it's equal sign. Okay, so the way I'm going to actually do this problem, 2x plus 3 equals 9, okay, I'm going to use my blue counters as my x variables, okay? So here we go, we have 2, okay? And then we're going to use our constants. Remember, constants are the numbers that don't have variables, okay? So I have my 3 and I have my 9, okay? And we're going to use the beige colored ones, okay? So here we go. So 3x, so here's my equal sign. Right? Equal sign, equal sign. Remember, I drew that line so we know what's on the left. So this is my left side and this is my right side. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 of my blue. I'm going to take these 2 and I'm going to put them up here. Okay? So I have 2 x's, 1, 2, and I'm going to write x right here. X and x, just so we remember. Okay? So I have x, and here I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Here. Okay, now this is unbalanced, right? Because this right here, this only has 3 and it has to have 9. Okay, so we're going to want to put how many more constants do we want to put? 6, very good. Okay, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's just make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have my 9. So I'm going to check that. We have 9. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3. Check that. And I have my 2 blues, my 2 x's. Very good. Okay, so we want to make this balanced. And remember, the whole purpose of this is we want to get that x by itself. What does x equal? Okay, that big question. What does it equal? Okay, so here I have 2 x's and I have 3 constants. I want to get rid of it. I just want 1 x. Okay. So what did I say? If I wanted to get rid of these 3, can I just get rid of them? Just take them away? Can I just do that like this? No. Because remember, now it's unbalanced. Actually, it's probably going to go that way. Okay? So, whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other side. Very good. So if I took 3 away here, we subtracted 3. Okay? I want to take 3 away from here. 1, 2, 3. So now we equal. Okay? But what do we have left here? Now I have 1, 2. Okay, so we still have 2 x's. All right? So I have 2 x's equals, remember, that's on my left side. Okay, on my right side I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2x equals 6. But that's not what we want. Remember, we want x. How many x's are here? Okay, it doesn't say a number in front of it, but when there's not a number, how many? How many do you see? How many x's are circled? 1, okay? So 1x, we just want 1, not 2, okay? So if I want to get 1 instead of 2, what do we have to do? What's that inverse property here, okay? Division, very good. So I'm going to divide by 2. Okay, I'm going to cut it in half. Let's just cut it in half. All right, so if I cut 2 in half, what do I get? I have 2, I cut it in half, I take away 1. Very good. So there you go. I now only have 1. Okay, so unbalanced. Because why? Whatever you did on one side, very good, we have to do the other side. So I cut this in half, so I want to cut this side in half. We're not subtracting. So I'm not just taking, now I took 1 away because 2 divided by 2 is 1, okay? But we're not going to just take 1 away. Now we have to do 6 divided by 2, okay? Ooh, there we go, 2. What is 6 divided by 2? 3, very good, very good. Okay, so here I have 6. If I want only 3, how many do I have to take away? 3, very good. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put that there. Okay, I have x equals, and what do we have left? 1, 2, 3. So x equals 3. Okay? Very good. All right, so I'm gonna give you your own paper, your own balance beams. Okay, I'm gonna give you some dice and some cubes. We're gonna use our x variables, and we're gonna use our constants, and we're gonna solve a few more problems like this. All right? All right, very good, guys.